They have been married for 5 years. Justin and Hailey Bieber were looking as cute as newlyweds as they prepared to board a helicopter in New York City on Tuesday. The couple were the epitome of relationship goals as they walked across the tarmac hand in hand and gazing tenderly at one another. Justin couldn't take his eye off his wife as she strode beside him with a smile on her face. The model, who has been busy promoting her skincare brand Holdhands, looked stunning, displaying her legs in a lace look teamed with a billowing black leather jacket and a bead necklace. She strutted out comfortably in pristine white socks and leather loafers. Garming up the look, she rocked a cherry red manicure, chunky gold hoop earring, and a pair of dainty yet trendy black shades. Justin wore a collated brown collated shirt, cream short, and white slides. A polka dot hat worn backward topped off his roof. As they approached the helicopter, Justin wrapped a tender arm around Hailey's waist. Their items were already waiting for them inside. However, a Louis Vuitton bag sat on the concrete floor at the foot of the aircraft. Justin later Instagrammed snaps from their flight, which included a snap of the couple cuddling their two dogs as they took off. Hailey has had a busy 24 hours in New York, promoting the upcoming new addition to her blonde skincare brand, the Strawberry Glaze Flavored Peptide Treatment. The newest edition of the Ronde Beauty brand will be available on September 16th for $16. The star sat down for an interview with Cosmopolitan to talk about the inspiration behind her strawberry glaze lip peptide. I have always loved the comparison to beauty and food. It's just so silly and cute and imaginative, she told the outlet. And since I have always said I wanted to look like a glazed donut when I got to bed, I knew that if there was a world in which I could do something fun with crispy cream, I wanted to do it, she explained. I decided what I wanted to make a scent that was reminiscent of strawberry in general, but strawberry glaze specifically, because when I was a kid, my favorite donut ever was a strawberry frosted donut with sprinkles, Hailey explained. So this is a really nostalgic flavor for me because I would still go and get the donut to this day. That's how much I love it, she concluded. The new product debut comes as news surfaced that she has become heavily involved in her husband's business affairs. Hailey has taken control and is heavily involved. She is a part of meeting and she is talking a lot for him, a source informed Page 6 in an article published on August 10th. She is the voice. They are becoming this power couple. She is a big part of everything he is doing, the insider further added.